Clean water is becoming the most valuable resource on our planet, especially in deserts and steppes. Most cosmetic products contain microplastic particles. As many people know, plastic takes up to 200 years to decompose. Scientists began to wonder how much microplastics we consume together with water. Our students have created a filter that removes microplastics from water. It consists of oat seeds and activative carbon. Oat roots sprout on the charcoal and hold it together. This increases the quality and duration of water filtration. Microscopy, colorimetry, and mass spectrometry methods have proven filter efficiency.